Mittens the Curious Kitten. Mittens woke up with a stretch and a purr, wiggled her nose and smoothed her fur. She peeked out the window, eyes so wide. What's that flying way up high? Oh, Mittens so curious and sweet, tip-tap toes and silent feet, sniffing here and looking there, adventures waiting everywhere. She chased a feather down the hall, then pounced upon a bouncing ball. She peeked inside a paper hat. Could there be a mouse in that? Oh, Mittens so curious and sweet, tip-tap toes and silent feet, sniffing here and looking there, adventures waiting everywhere. She climbed a chair and looked around, knocked a cookie to the ground. She meowed at fishies in a bowl and poked her paw in every hole. Up the curtains under beds, poking heads in flower sheds. Every shadow, every sound, Mittens wants to sniff it down. Now the stars begin to gleam. Mittens yawns and starts to dream. Curled up warm in cozy light, she'll be curious again tomorrow night.